Hello, and welcome to our ProKitchen concealed poles video. In this video, we will go over how to add both the J channel and C channel concealed poles to either your doors or drawers. You may find these poles at the bottom of our door hardware or drawer hardware list. There are 4 colors available for these poles, and they are anthracite, black, champagne, and silver. After these poles are applied, you can go into the cabinet attributes to modify the positioning of your poles. With the attributes menu open, select the hardware tab, and in the preview window, select which door or drawer you would like to modify. Now we can modify the door or drawer hardware by selecting a different position or rotating the pole to fit our desired needs. This has been a presentation of our new J channel and C channel concealed poles in ProKitchen. Thank you for watching.